Ladies and gentlemen, Anantians, ambassadors, trailblazers, I'm here tonight on the Growth Room, and I've decided we're just going to kind of take a little break. So tonight's session is what your life starts looking like when you do another X. I want you to look at this picture. Look at this picture. And when you really look at this picture, I want to tell you that that is a small portion of what Ananta X can give you and me. Because this is what life is like. Most people, and it's not their fault, most people are so linked to stuff. Yes, we're going to have the cars and the fame, and I'm talking about real fame. I mean, if you walk across the stage as a diamond, red, platinum diamond, I'm telling you, fame like you have never, ever tasted it before. That's what's coming. And happiness and travel and money. And I mean, the gold is up there, the asset base and flying. And this is a small portion, but there's more. But anyway, tonight, so I put everything I say as much as I can on the slides, so somebody can go and do this. So tonight is not a heavy training. Tonight is not about pressure. Tonight is about something that we sometimes forget, a big thing. Tonight is about why we started. Why did we get started in Ananta X? Because when people get tired, when things delay, when life happens, like, for example, me today, we don't need more information. We need vision again. That's what's lacking. So life without change, let's be honest, if nothing changes, we are going to have the same stress, the same financial pressure, the same routine, the same limitations. But here's a fact, and I like facts. Time will still pass. I've said it so many times. Time doesn't care about us. Time doesn't care about anything. But here's a question, and the question is, will your life change with it? What starts changing with Ananta X? Now, let's look at the other side. When you start, and here's the key, when you keep on going, a couple of things are going to change. Your daily energy is going to start changing because you're going to wake up with a purpose, some direction, with something to do positive, something to build instead of just surviving another day. Because you are building your future. Your confidence is going to grow. At first, we are going to be nervous and unsure. I wonder if. But then, remember, let's go back. If we keep going, that's the key. This is going to happen. After a certain amount of time, we're going to start feeling a little bit more comfortable, confident, and clear, because every act that I do and you do builds us. Your team is going to start expanding. You start meeting people, connecting, and growing relationships. This is not just business. Listen carefully. This is a connection or prosperity ecosystem. Your finances or your financial future will open, not overnight, but step by step. We are going to start looking at some extra income, some smart savings through the benefits, obviously, some gold accumulation and other opportunities. Things are going to start shifting from survival to possibility to reality. Your family is going to change. If all of that starts happening, there's going to be less pressure. You will have more support. You will have more options, And here's the thing I want is to create more time. Not just building for yourself, we are building for them, our family. Your mindset is going to be empowered from I hope things change to I'm building something. Here's the key. You are in full control of what you allow in your life, and that directly impacts your mindset. So how do we kind of control it better than doing another X? Because mindset wins every time again and again. So how it actually happens, this is very important. Here's the truth. This life doesn't come from luck or, you were born with a silver spoon or any of that kind of rubbish. It comes from doing another X. Not one big thing, not one lucky break. I don't believe in that stuff, but one more message, one more invite, one more follow up, one day at a time. Here's the key line. Your future is built in small daily pieces. Here's the biggest secret of all. Make it fun. Here's a question. Listen carefully. If your Ananta X journey goes right, so we all have these dreams and visions of, what we want to do, what we want to buy, where we want to live, our dream cars, dream holidays. Let's say it goes right. Here's what I want you to do, and please get your hands on the chat box. What is the first fun thing you're going to do? Now, paying bills and responsibilities is not included in this. So here's some examples. Maybe take a trip, upgrading something, help a family, celebrate. So in the chat box, quickly, what is the first fun thing you are going to do when Ananta X goes the way you want? In the chat box, what's the first fun thing you want to do? I'm waiting. Let's see. What's the first fun thing you're going to do when Ananta X goes the way you want it? Let's think. And this is tough. It's not easy because now we are putting what we want on the table and we need to figure out. So let's say, travel, trip to Mauritius. Come on. Oh, Mr. Gianni, I'm going with. Travel. Come on. What's the first fun thing you're going to do? Oh, there's so many things. Come on, think about it. Another thing, please. I want another one. So let's say you're going to upgrade something. You're going to buy something new, upgrade. What do you want to do? So the first fun thing I'm going to do in that is I'm going to put in a brand new kitchen in our house. That's the first fun thing I'm going to do. Brand new kitchen. Our kitchen is now probably 21 years old. Oh. And here's a challenge. Sometimes we get so stuck in a rut that we forget why we are doing this. So anyway, good. So now understand this. That starts with your next X. Anything you want from a business starts with another X. Here's a leadership message to the Trailblazers, important for tonight. Your team doesn't need pressure. They need belief again. Belief in what? Belief in hope. Belief in dreaming. Belief in doing stuff. There's so many people out there that the first fun thing they're going to do is just go to the shops and buy 1,000 Rand worth of groceries. That's going to be fun for them because it's probably never happened in a very, very long time, if not ever. So to do all of this, you must bring the energy. Here's what we have to do. We have to bring the energy. We have to bring the vision, and we have to bring and show consistency. I'm really not feeling well. For those that were on the call before this recording, something happened today. man, it is absolutely done. I'm thankful nobody died, any of that kind of, but it was tough for me. And during the course of this afternoon, I have multiple times thought of just sending a message to say, guys, sorry, we're not having a growth room tonight. But if I do that, I lose, because it's my job to bring the energy, to bring the vision, and to bring consistency. Here's a thought. Tonight is about what hasn't happened yet. It is about what's coming, because the system is here. We are literally a week or 2 or 3 away from the new system being live. Some of the people on this call is already testing, in the testing phase. We got a group call on Friday morning, I think about 11 o'clock, with all the big boys. And I want you guys to, if you can, sit in on that. But for those that are testing, I'll send it out to you. Timing is aligning. We are at the right place at the right time, and we are already in position. The future is not far. It is just built 1x at a time. Actually, before you log off, do 1x. Do a follow-up. Do something. Do something to build your momentum. Write down another dream. Write down another name. Phone somebody. Maybe just reach out to somebody and say, hey, how are you doing? Listen, when it comes to Ananta X, it's about connecting. It's not about promoting the business. Maybe just reach out to a friend. Say, hey, how's it going? Thought of you. Here's an action step. I need you to drop in the chat. Now, this is a tough one. When everything goes according to plan, what does your future look like? That's a tough one. What does your future look like? Here's my answer. Total, absolute freedom, time, and money. That's what my future looks like. Absolute, total freedom, time, and money. Anyway. Because this will, if you do this, this will lift your emotional energy. It will reconnect you with your why. It's going to reduce frustration, and it's going to increase action, because you know what is possible and what is coming, and it's going to strengthen your belief in Ananta X. This does not work if you don't believe in Ananta X. I can be how passionate, how fired up, how motivated, but I am not promoting drugs. It doesn't matter how much money they pay, what lifestyle it can give me. I am not promoting drugs. But it's going to make you a fortune. I don't care. I don't believe in it. Think about that. That's why I am there's not even a doubt in my mind about what's coming with Ananta X. How can I not believe in this? We are saving, we are now generating, we are accumulating. Anyway, so I got you. So, what your life starts looking like when you do another X. It doesn't change overnight, but something starts shifting. If you do another X, just do another one, another one, another one, another one, and keep on going, something changes. Something shifts. There's a book called The Paradigm Shift. When you believe in something and keep doing it, your belief grows. And as your belief grows, your momentum and your action grows. And when that happens, there's a shift. Something happens. At first, it's small. One invite, one message, one follow-up, just one more step. And then, if you keep going, your energy changes. You wake up with purpose, not pressure. Your confidence grows. We stop overthinking and we just do. I don't have to think about I just do it. It's just there. It's just, here's a question. Do you want gold? Yes or no? There's the question. Do you know what I'm saying? Do you want private tutorship for your children? Yes or no? Do you want the opportunity to save up to 3,000 Rand a month on your groceries? Yes or no? I don't think about, but that's why we follow the system, because it's too much. Anyway, your team expands, you connect, you engage, and we build real relationships. Here's something we need to think about, and we need to understand. The relationships we are building, that I'm building with you in Ananta X, this is lifetime relationships, in my opinion. You are the people that I'm going to spend the rest of my life with, as long as you in Ananta X. Because Ananta X is going to build value, it's going to create freedom, it's going to create success, it's going to create fun, it's going to help people. I can't wait. There's so much things. I can't wait for the testimonial to say, for a lady to say, I met my husband through Ananta X, or a man to say, I met my wife or my fiance or my girlfriend through Ananta X. I can't wait, because it's coming. Your mindset. Now, please, there's the word evolve. I don't like that word, but it explains it the best, because we're going to move from I hope things change to I am building something, and then something powerful happens. You start to see, as you just do another X and another X, and you keep on going. Here's what's going to happen. There's going to be more conversations, more opportunities for us to start engaging with people, more belief and more control. That's what's coming. That's what I want in my life. I want control over my life, because we don't have. We are dependent on this and on that and on paychecks and, whatever. People are dependent. I want to get to a point in my life where I'm absolutely 100% independently in control. There's so many of the big corporate giants. Today they are multi-millionaires. Then something happens, the stock drops, tomorrow they're broke. I don't want a life like that. That's why I never went into corporate, because I saw it. There's an old saying that says, if you are building a business or a building, make sure your ladder is against the right building. I believe this is the right building. Your life begins to feel more exciting, more intentional, and more alive. And over time, your finances start improving, your stress starts reducing, your options starts increasing, and your family starts benefiting, not because of luck, but because you stayed consistent, because you kept on showing up. And because you kept going, one more X. And here's the truth. Most people are waiting for this huge breakthrough, this massive thing that's going to help, that's going to, there's a company in somewhere in the world, apparently they're building ships, because everybody's waiting for the ships, but they are not a very good company, because the ships are never arriving. I've heard so many people say, when my ship comes, I'm like, dude, there's not even an ocean here. How can you wait for a ship? But that's what people think. The big thing is coming my way. Now, you and me are here in absolute truth tonight. There is no big ship coming. Well, we actually did a talk about this a couple of months ago. No one's coming. No one's coming to save us. There's no guy on a big horse with big muscles and a bag full of gold coins that's going to just one morning just appear and no, it's not happening. That's a lie that's been sold to people to keep people in a poverty mentality. It's not happening. So if it's not going to happen through this big breakthrough, Fricky, how's it going to happen? Your breakthrough is built in small daily actions, because every message matters, every follow up matters, and every day matters. Here's a trick, or here's something I want to add. I've said it so many times. To me, one of the keys to success is if I open my eyes in the morning, I have another day. To me, that is success. So that's why I said there, every day matters. Just try missing one of them. Think about that. Every day matters. And it's tough. It's not easy. That's why just do one more X. That's going to help us and carry us through. And when you look back, you won't see this one big magical moment. Oh, exactly there. That's where somebody stopped at my gate and said that they're going to pay for everything forever. I don't ever have to worry. And they're even going to give me a little hug. No. And no, it's not coming. You are going to see a series of small decisions, small daily actions that changed everything for you and me. Here's a final line. Your future doesn't arrive all at once. It is built one X at a time. So this is a short one. So let me just go back to the first one. I'll send this out on the Trailblazer group. Sorry, that's why I put everything I say on it. So then it might be more fun. Because I've seen so many, if you, for those of you like myself, I'm a noter. I take notes. You must see me sitting in church. Man, I'm the guy. I'm like scribbling and just writing everything as much as I can. I've been at presentations where I just wrote, and then you miss half the presentation. So that's why I do this, to help and support you. But yes, why we are here tonight. And I want to ask you this question. Why did you start Ananta X? Maybe it was to get out of debt. Maybe it was just to add to what you already have. Maybe you were looking for just that something. Maybe you were looking for a specific benefit that is now adding value to your life. Like there's so many parents that's using the Call the Teacher. That's why they started. Now going forward, there's a lot of people that's going to get involved just to be able to get some gold every month. The value of gold, just start collecting something. Why did we start? Ananta X was never built as this big, huge, incredible, going to change your life. No. It is always built as a member's benefit first. So tomorrow night, on the recording I've done some changes on the presentation when it comes to ranks and recognition and incentives. How does it work? Because I understood that there's a bit of confusion. So I'm going to just play a little bit about that tomorrow night. But anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I love the Bible. I love my King. I love him. He is absolutely everything in my heart. I give everything to him. I cry to him. I give him everything I have. And sometimes I used to feel so alone. Yes, I'm married and I've got kids and grandkids, but sometimes you're going to get to a stage in your life where you just kind of feel alone. And you're going to wonder, why am I doing this? Because this is happening and that one is fighting with me and that one is this and that one is this. And you're going to get to a point where you're going to kind of decide, maybe, and I want to beg you, I want to absolutely beg you, before that happens, here's the answer. Sorry, let me get to the answer. Almost there. Almost there. Okay, this wasn't part of my presentation. Almost there. Sorry, almost there. Hold on. There. Just do another X. Just do something that is in line with your future. Because here's the truth. When I started Hunter X, well, when I got into an Hunter X, and I got in from the other side. I mean, I'm the founder. I'm building this thing with people, and it's a whole bunch of fun and excitement and challenging. But ultimately, why was an Hunter X born? Because I was so sick and tired of living a life that I couldn't bear. And it's not easy. It's not easy to stand up for yourself in a world that is absolutely trying to push you down. There are things happening, and people, sometimes it's your friends, it's your family, your colleagues, that is going to do everything in their power to push you down. I read a book one day about people complaining, and here's the thing: somebody always has to have something worse happening to them than the other guy, because they need to feel, people need to worry more about them than the other people. I wanted to do it the other way around. I wanted to get to a point where you can sit on a beach anywhere in the world. Now, I'm still going to Greece and to, what's that other island? Oh, now I can't remember. Anyway, that's one of the things I'm going to do. Imagine sitting on a beach any time of the day, and you're kind of staring over the sand into the sea, and the sun is shining on your face. There's a light breeze coming over the water. You can kind of smell that saltiness in the air as you sit there, hopefully under an umbrella, because otherwise the sun is going to burn you. But you're sitting there and you're thinking, my word, 2 years ago, 3 years ago, 5 years ago, I was there, I was stuck, I was controlled. Now I can do this. And as you turn around, guess what? The rest of the Anantians are there. And you trying to take a break for 5 minutes, and we saying, near. Boetie says, no, there's no break here. Come, we're going to go. We're going to have some fun. What are we going to do? Let's go to the bar and drink. No, we're going to live. We're going to live. We're going to experience stuff. We're going to walk on the beach, and we're going to do, I don't know, whatever we can do, abseiling and riding bicycles. And I saw a video the other day of somebody riding on a tortoise. I'm like, gee, I wonder how much that person weighs. I wonder if I could do it. Imagine sitting on the back of a tortoise. Now, this thing is huge. It's like a little mountain. But imagine. Here's what I want to say. Most of anything you can imagine on this planet is possible with that. Doing another X. Stay close, stay in the system, stay there. Just do another X. I'm excited about tomorrow. I'm going to go through a little bit more breakdown about the ranks and incentives. And I hope you enjoyed this. I hope this was for you. It was definitely for me. If what happened today to me, and I was supposed to come sit here and do a deep dive training on another skill, I would have brought the fire. I would have brought and given it everything I have, but it would have been very, very difficult. So how did I go? How, how did I go through most of the day? Well, I reached out to 3 more people today that I wouldn't normally have in that situation. I just didn't care. I knew if I didn't do something to keep myself going, then it's going to be trouble. I reached out to 3 new people today. Now, I'm obliged to give them the information. Now, I'm not going to sign them up. That's not my job. That's their decision. My job is to keep doing another X, another call, another invite, another follow-up, another Zoom, another growth room, another video. We have got videos and videos and videos on 2 YouTube channels. We have a lot of information. Anyway, love you all. I'm going to stop this. We'll have a quick chat and then we'll close it for this evening. So, ladies and gentlemen, from me to you, how do you change your future? Just do another X.